Oh, hey, I didn't see you there. I'm Fox, and welcome to my bar, Fox's Bar. I've been teaching myself how to make cocktails the entire pandemic, and now I'm making videos about it so you and I can learn together. Now, for those of you who have been here before, remember our favorite thing over here is for you to like, subscribe, as well as comment on anything that you hear, say, or just learn today. Teach me if I'm doing it wrong, or teach me if my history's off. I'm always down to listen to someone who's gonna share something to make us all better. Anyways, if you like the shirt, let me know too. Pretty nice, huh? Christmas gift. Anyways, today on this episode, we will be making the Fitzgerald. So here's what you're gonna need to make a Fitzgerald. You're gonna need to start off with some gin. Today we're gonna be using Hendrick's gin, made in New York. All gins are made of juniper berries, and they add all kinds of botanicals to it. This brand particularly says that they use coriander as well as citrus peel, so definitely should add some nice nuances to our drink today. Angostura bitters. Now, this originally was created as a health tonic for the Venezuelan army under Simón Bolívar. But eventually it was sold as a bitters and used for drinks. And I think I've even heard it's been used for food. But anyways, moved to Trinidad and Tobago. Trinidad! In 1875, in Port of Spain, Trinidad. It's where the plant is located now. This is gonna be our special ingredient. You're also gonna need simple syrup. Remember, simple syrup, this is not a particular brand. You can make it at home. 1 part sugar, 1 part water. Boil, cool, bottle, make a drink. Simple syrup. You're also gonna need lemon juice. I went and worked very hard to press and squeeze and juice this lemon juice for your viewing pleasures. My arms are tired, but it was worth it. Anyways, these are gonna be our 4 horsemen of the Fitzgerald apocalypse. I mean, that was corny, but you get the point. All right, so this drink got its name from the king of cocktails. It was the 1990s, and Dale Degroffs was working at the Rainbow Room. It was there he initially had a drink called the Gin Thing. But a customer was like, yo, you guys got all these literary names for your cocktail list. I guess it was a book theme or something. And you got this drink called a gin thing? There's a drink on the cocktail menu called a Hemingway. Why don't you stick in that vein? And so Dale's idea simply was, you know what? I'll call it the Fitzgerald. I think F. Scott Fitzgerald wrote The Great Gatsby about rich people doing lit shit and stuff. Anyways, this is now what many consider a cocktail classic, and if you're like me, super excited to make it. So, you ready to do this? Let's go. You thought he was about to make this shit without me? Come on, dog. Can't do that. Watch. Okay, so you're gonna need ice. 2 ounces of gin to be exact. This here is Hendrick's, like I told you earlier. Let's get that going. Remember, your jigger, 2 ounces. So we're going to the top, all the way up. Boom, boom. Yo, Remy, bodied that verse, I think. Let me know in the comments. 3/4 ounces of our lemon juice. The lemon juice I worked so hard to squeeze for you. This is fresh. We're going all the way to the top. All the way. Last but not least, our secret weapon, Angostura bitters. And when I say secret weapon, I mean that. Bring it up here. There is only one person at a time that knows the recipe for Angostura bitters. It is a family and just about trade secret. Do your Googles. Back down here. Let's get that in there. 2 dashes. 1, 2. Gotta be careful. I don't want to throw this off. Put this together. Bring it up here. nice and cold, like the hand of a stranger you never trusted. Anyways, gonna pop that open. Take our strainer. Usually they say to make this in a coupe glass. Coupe glasses are used for chilled, shaken drinks that will not have ice in the container. So we're gonna use this. This is what I have on hand. This drink is gorgeous, but it is missing one last detail. You have to garnish this drink with a slice of lemon. All right, we need that lemon slice, and I ain't got time for this knife. Yeah! Well, we made our drink. Now there's only one thing left to do, but to try it. This, I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm a little tipsy. We've done so many reshoots of me trying to drink it that I've been sipping it for real. Yeah, it's strong, it's bold, it's got body, it's beautiful, it's bountiful. If umami could be used to describe a drink, I think you could apply it here. Like every little bit of like sweet, a little bit of sour, there's that little bit of bitter, and the strength of the gin, man. It doesn't go down like it's not like a train ride in New York City. It is like walking down a parkside palisade. It is perfectly smooth, and everything that needs to be there is there. The views, the energy, the smells. Wait. It's got a nice smell. Like it smells like there's an aroma of the lemon and the bitter. You literally feel like you have a botanical garden just trickling down. An amazing feeling, an amazing taste, and the strength, brunch worthy, dinner worthy, anytime worthy. There's a very distinct and polished earthiness. That's probably from the gin when I think about it, because the gin also has coriander and citrus peel in it, so I'm probably catching those earthier notes. Lovely fragrance. Like I feel like I'm in like an antique sort of tea room. Like it's just giving me that. The bitters, sleeper hit. You try bitters. Put a little bit of dash on your tongue. When I saw 2 dashes, I said, what are you doing? But when it all comes together, like I said, that perfect, what is that? That perfect vector of whatever it is you're looking for in a drink, you can do this. If the bartender made a mistake and gave you this, you wouldn't send it back. I tell you that right now. I really, I'm getting drunk right now. Fitzgerald, shouts out to Dale Degroffs, wherever he may be. This right here, yeah, I got some shit for y'all. Make sure you come back and let me know what you think about the drink. Let me know if you hate this drink. I like this drink a lot. I'm very certain that you will too. You want one? Tell me anything. But definitely, I'd love to see you come back. I'm gonna take my time with this. I've gotta clean up, and I don't wanna fall asleep. Pretty good. You turn this light off.
Six doing donuts. Hold up, they done woke me up in the kitchen with the soapy stuff.